happy to have you guys back. Glad you can make it for another one. Hey! Those that are subscribed, welcome back. Sorry, been gone for a minute, but I'm back.
I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off.
So, we're here for another DIY. Okay, so for this project, basically just creating some bath wall art for the bathroom to match the decor of like your bath set, you know, that comes with the trash can and the toothbrush holder, soap holder, and it came out so divine, I'm so excited. And sorry, this video is kind of lengthy. I did my best to shorten it as much as possible. Since the video is kind of long, feel free, if you get the gist of, you know, what I'm doing to create masterpiece, feel free to fast forward and get to the goods, because at the end you will be happy. I mean, at least I was happy, so I hope it helps you with your, you know, creative juices or inspires you to make your own wall art when you can't find things to match your decor. So without further ado, let's just hurry up and get to it. Hey, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and also click the bell for when I post new videos. So when I ordered this lettering from Amazon, the way that it was painted had some areas where it was white, and I don't know, like maybe it was supposed to be cut out there, but it wasn't. So I had to clean it up a bit, and so I used scissors and a nail filer to, you know, smooth out everything, and you know, just like I said, clean it up a bit. Oh, and I also used a box cutter because at the time I misplaced my X-Acto knife, so fortunately I had that handy. Now that the edges are clean, I decided to paint it, even though the color is there, because it looks like they printed the color on, and I saw printer lines, and it was going to bother me, and so I touched, like I said, I touched that up too. I know what you're thinking. Why didn't you just buy white foam board And that's because I was just using what I already had around the house, and luckily I did have foam board, but it was black. So, I got white acrylic paint from the dollar store for $1. So it was no big deal. So that when I put the tile pieces on, because it's white, it would blend better, or fill in the blanks. Here I am lining up the 2 tile pieces so I know exactly where to remove the tile pieces from, so that when I combine them together they'll blend better. And also because I got these 2 pieces from different vendors, one was peel and stick, one wasn't, one had a straight edge and the other didn't. So here we are finagling with it, but it's no problem. The pieces popped off easily, no biggie. Okay, note, when you're using the glue gun, you gotta work super fast because, man, that glue dries really quick. Or maybe use E6000. I didn't have enough E6000 glue on me at the time, so I was making it work with the glue gun. Gotta cut off the excess piece on the side there. If you are wondering why do I have those extra pieces on the back, I just wanted to beef and fatten up the border because I plan to put mirrors, the mirror pieces along the edges on the side to give the art some more depth, or give it that canvas look. Now, my way of doing this next part is to first map it out before you start gluing pieces down, just to make sure that everything lines up properly. Make sure you got enough pieces, and it will save you so much hassle and headache and heartache when you plan to how's the saying go? I remember, when you fail to plan to fail. So I don't want you guys to fail. I'm all about winning. Winning! See, the extra pieces on the back are helping the mirror pieces on the side to fit perfectly. second row of mosaic tile pieces. And again, you just want to plan it out before you start gluing so that everything fits properly, there's no spaces, and you have enough tile pieces to, complete the art piece. I am so glad that I did that, because literally the green pieces, I used every single one. I could not afford to lose one piece. It was so hard to find these pieces in the first place, especially in this color. So, woo, planning pays off. That's all I'm saying. Now that the border is complete, time to glue on the letters. At this part, you can tell that I really wish that I had some more E6000 glue. This was so difficult because the glue from the glue gun was just drying so fast. But you work with what you got, and in the words of Tim Gunn, make it work. Looking at this like, yes, indeed. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, I am singing. Now I put it up in the bathroom just so you guys can get a feel of how it's going to look. And do you see how it matches the bath decor, the stones? Yes, I'm so happy how well this turned out. And just stay tuned for when I do my bathroom makeover to really complete the whole look and bring it together. And that was it. Did you like it? I mean, did you like it? Oh! I'm just tickled about it. I'm so happy when a project comes together successfully. Lord knows you have your bumps and bruises along some projects and you're like, is this gonna work? But it came together, so yay! And all right, until the next DIY, peace, love, and hugs, you guys. Many hugs. Love. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's so appreciated. Again, like, subscribe, comment below what you thought, anything you want to see, or any questions you have for me. I'd love to hear and read about it. So until next time, see you guys.